Hello everyone, today we are diving into the world of credit building with Kikoff Credit. Join me and explore the product and service they offer to help you build a solid credit history. Let's get started. At the heart of Kikoff Credit, it's a flagship product, the Kikoff Credit Account. It's a secured credit like designed for purchases exclusively with the Kikoff platform. To open an account, a security deposit matching the credit limit is required. Once set up, the user can use this account to purchase additional resources, credit monitoring services, and other products available on Kikoff. Keep it in mind, the Kikoff credit account cannot be used to purchase outside of Kikoff platform. Additionally, Kikoff offers a credit builder loan, a saving product reporting to TransUnion and Equifax, and the Credit Plus card cash, a secured credit card as the MasterCard network. Now let's weight the pros and cons. On the positive side, there's no credit check requirement, making it accessible. Affordable monthly payments, educational resources, and the option of secured credit card are definite advantages. However, it's important to note the limitations. The Kikoff credit account and credit builder loan are restricted to Kikoff purchases, and a deposit is required. While Kikoff credit can be a great tool for building credit, it might not suit everyone's need. Moving on, let's explore Kikoff credit reviews. This tool is very valuable asset for checking your credit score and analyzing your credit report. Using advanced algorithm, it depends potential issue like late payment or incorrect information. If an issue are found, the tool provides tailored recommendation to help improve your credit score. Credit card Kikoff Credits Review also offer credit monitoring services, allowing you to track changes to your credit report over time. In conclusion, Kikoff Credit Card can be an excellent choice for those seeking to build and improve their credit. Their accessibility, educational resources, and credit building option are compelling. However, it's essential to consider the limitation. As always, choose the option that aligns best with your financial goals. Thanks for joining today, and remember to make informed decisions on your credit building journey. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.